Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change graphs in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Capcut app and now create a new project or edit your existing project. Here, I'll go with my existing project. Now, once you're in the project, to access the graph, you can simply click on the video. And now, if we swipe to the right, you'll see an option that says Adjust. Simply click on it. Here, if we scroll again to the right, you'll see an option that says Graph. Click on it. From here, you can adjust the graph according to your preference. And just like that, we can change graphs in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.